The insurance adjuster from the other side might sound friendly, but they have one job, and that's to pay you as little as possible. Watch out for these 3 common tricks. Hi, I'm Mark Lopez. After a car crash, you will likely get a call from the at-fault driver's insurance adjuster. It's crucial to understand their motivation and their tactics. Number 1, quick lowball offer. Insurance adjusters typically call, ask how you're doing, what's going on. Hey, are you probably strapped for some cash? And they might make you a real quick offer. Hey, we can probably give you $5,000 right now. You want to call it a day? If you push back, you might be able to get them to agree to pay some medical bills and whatnot. I'm just letting you know this is a scam, and they're hoping to lock you in now so you can't come asking for more later, because once you sign on the dotted line, the case is done. Lawyers are not going to be able to help you, and you're not going to be able to get additional money if you have increased pain and suffering. We get calls at least once per week. Hey, Mark Lopez, I got a call after my accident and they offered me some money and I took it, but now they're not paying for the doctor's visits. They're saying I'm too much treatment and this is a lot worse than I thought. I want to get more money. Out of luck. The lowball offer is notorious in the insurance industry, and they're trying to get you to accept. Don't do it. It has disaster written all over it. Number 2, the recorded statement trap. Now, you have a duty to give a recorded statement and cooperate with your own insurance. Probably still want to talk to an attorney before you do that, but the at-fault driver's insurance is likely going to call and try to get a statement. And they might say, well, hey, we have to get this in order to move the claim forward. Hey, we have to get a recorded statement in order to pay for property damage, in order to do anything. And they might very well sound friendly about it. They might try to be your friend. Hey, this is a normal part of my job. I have to do it. And the hardest part is sometimes they'll ask for the recorded statement after they've made numerous calls where they've expressed sympathy towards you. They've expressed, hey, how are you doing? What's going on? But make no mistake, the recorded call's only purpose is to lock you in and to try to get you to say things that hurt your case. So they're not your friend, and they're not doing the recorded statement because it's good for them. They're trying to lock you in. They're going to try to ask questions that get you confused, so you say things maybe that are not going to help you. Don't you agree that if you had been going slower, maybe this all could have been avoided? Don't you agree that your back wasn't 100% before the car crash? Don't you agree that maybe you were a little bit tired? They're going to ask questions like that, and they typically ask the recorded statement after they've led you to believe that they're your friend. And so people want to have friendly back and forth, and so they might make concessions. Maybe if I hadn't been driving, I wouldn't have gotten a car crash. Maybe, who knows? That's speculation. But the reality is, if you're not at fault, it doesn't matter if you could have been doing X, Y, and Z. It doesn't matter. The recorded statement is trapped. You need to talk to an attorney before you give a recorded statement. That's the bottom line. Number 3, fishing expedition for pre-existing conditions. Now, if you say my back hurts, my shoulder hurts, my neck hurts, they're going to go on and on trying to get you to give them permission to get medical records from 10, 15, 20 years ago, or get you to make statements. Hey, did you ever have any back pain before? Oh, you did have back pain. Tell me about that. Listen, they're trying to find ways to pay you less. That's their job of the insurance adjuster. Don't fall for these tricks. And they likely are going to try to do the pre-existing conversation on the recorded statement, but just be very careful about that, and be very careful about anything you just signed. They're going to want a blank authorization. We're entitled, if you want us to pay for your pain and suffering, we want it all. No, they don't get it all. They don't. They get what's relevant. So make no mistake, they're not trying to be your friend. Careful signing on that dotted line for a settlement. Be careful giving the recorded statement, and be careful of signing any type of blank authorization for all your medical records. That is not what they're entitled to. You deserve to have a professional on your side protecting you. Before you speak to an insurance adjuster, speak to us. We'll handle all communication with the insurance company so you don't have to. Give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, the insurance company is not your friend, but I can be.